Back. So finally made it to Malta, so I'm in St. Julian's, beautiful island, delighted to be here. So why am I here? Okay, I've retired, but have I retired? Yes and no. Okay, so what is this video all about? So what this video is about is me explaining to you how I managed to retire at 48 years old. Okay, so when I first started my journey in trading the stock market, I was 45 years old. Okay, well, was I 45? Yeah, 45. I'll get really confused now with my age. 45. Yeah, I was 45. And I set myself a goal to retire by the time I was 50. Right, so I've managed to do that 2 years earlier than what I had hoped. Okay, so I'm in St. Julian's, Malta, as I said. Am I going to stay here permanently? I just don't know, because I do actually like to travel around. I was in Spain a couple of months ago, there for 2 months, went back to Scotland, now I'm in Malta. If I like it, I'll just stay here permanently and become a resident. If not, I'll continue to travel. Okay, so have I retired? Well, no, I've not really retired, I suppose. I mean, I have retired in the sense that I only work for an hour and a half to 2 hours a day. So I guess I kind of have retired. Am I going to continue to do what I've been doing, i.e. being a mentor to students? Absolutely. I'm going to continue. Listen, I have to stay busy. I only work for 2 hours a day, you know, and if I'm not keeping myself busy, I'll just be going for lunch in the restaurants and having wine with lunch and all that kind of stuff. So you have to watch that kind of stuff. You've got to keep busy, right? You have to keep busy. So therefore, I'm still going to be a mentor to students. I'm still going to run my trading community. And yes, I'm still taking on new students. In the last week and a half, there's been a lot of students coming on board, which is fantastic to see. Okay, and the trading community, we're taking it to the next level. So there's live commentary now every single day, well, Monday to Friday on the US Open. On the live call, we're actually getting students involved as well. So we really are taking the trading community to the next level. So how did I start? Well, through the stock market, through trading the stock market. Now, yes, over time, I've had other businesses established and other sources of income. So it all started with trading the stock market, and it all started with starting with £2,000. Yes, I lost money at the start, the same as every trader does. You know, you don't just overnight or all of a sudden become a profitable trader. Okay, me personally, it took me 7 months to become consistently profitable, and then after that I just continued to invest every penny that I had into my trading account, and then obviously I continued to make money. And you'd be surprised how quickly your brokerage account starts to double in size and then treble, and so on and so on. And you know, when you're trading with a large amount of capital, you can make a lot of money. Now, yes, you can lose a lot of money as well, but that's where risk management comes in. Okay, that's why you have to implement risk management, and this is why it's so important. Okay, so this went on, and so I've been doing this now I've been trading with real money now for almost 3 years. Okay, so it's taken me 3 years to get to the point that I am now. Now, yes, 14, 15 months ago, I took my career to the next level. I became a full-time trader, and then I also became a mentor as well. Okay, so yes, that brought in some additional resources and some additional finances. Do I make a lot of money from bringing new clients or new students onto the Sambora trading team? Not really, to be honest with you. It's pocket money. The money that I make from that, I usually spend in restaurants and bars, so it really isn't a lot of money, to be fair. So my money comes from trading the stock market and other investments as well, most that you don't know about and most that you're not gonna get to know about either. So that is how I've done it. Now, it's achievable. I've done it. I've done it late in life. Now, it's taken me 3 years to do it. I'm not saying it's going to take you 3 years. It could take you 6 years. I don't know. But the point being is, dreams do come true. I'm literally living my dream right now. When I first started, it was actually 4 years ago that I actually started to do research into trading the stock market. And then it was another year before I actually started trading. Yes, I went through a lot of heartache, lost money like we all do. But this is part of the process that you must go through. That's how I've managed to retire to Malta, even though I'm kind of not retired. But you got to start somewhere, and then you build on it. Now you've got to. One element that is very, very important is when I was making a lot of money at the start, I never spent it. I kept it. I either kept it in my brokerage account or I kept it in my bank account. But I wasn't going out to restaurants and bars, and I wasn't going out to nightclubs, and I wasn't going out on days out and shopping sprees and all that kind of stuff. So that's how I managed to accumulate the wealth that I did at the start. So it's only been in the last kind of year that I've kind of indulged in the restaurants and bars and going out shopping, all that kind of stuff. This is where discipline comes in. At the start of your trading journey, do not spend that penny. I'm serious. Don't spend it. Leave it. This is your investment. This is how you're going to make more money, is to gradually, and it is gradual. It takes months to do. It takes years to do. It's not just something that you're going to do in a few weeks or a few months. Before you know it, your trading account, you're started with 2,000 and you're consistent. Before you know it, it'll be up to 5. And then before you know it, it'll be up to 8 and then 12 and so on and so on. If you start spending it, you're just wasting all that work that you've done. So this is the process that I followed, and this is the process that you must follow if you want to get to the level of retiring in the next 5 years like I have. So as I said, I've done it in 3 years. I was hoping to do it in 5. But I could go on all day about the technical and fundamental aspects of what I've done in terms of trading. But as an overview, this is how I've retired at 48 years old after starting my journey 4 years ago, trading for 3 years. Now I have basically retired, I suppose, kind of. It keeps me busy, right? And this is the thing, people say to you, if you're making so much money trading the stock market, why bother having a trading community? Because guys like me have to keep busy. Because if you don't keep busy, it's lunch at 12 o'clock with wine. Now you can't be doing that every day, right? It's even more important now that I take my trading community to the next level, because I know how important it is to stay busy. Because if I don't stay busy, it'll be at the restaurants every day, okay? And that's not good. So that's a question that I get asked a lot. How come you've got a trading community? So in a nutshell, guys, that's how I've done it. So if you want to continue to follow my journey, follow me on Instagram, sambora.00. Check out my daily story and my posts. I told you we were going to the next level. We're taking the trading community to the next level. So if you want to be part of it, get in touch with me. If not, good luck with what you're doing. I'm going to enjoy my retirement, kind of, because I'm not really, but I am, if you know what I mean. That's how I've done it, guys. A very quick overview. See you again for more videos.